Tesla has done it again. The future just got a whole lot more affordable and smarter. Meet the all-new 2026 Tesla Model 2, a compact EV with big ambitions. Whether you're a city dweller looking for an entry into the electric revolution, or just curious how Tesla plans to dominate the affordable EV market, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into every detail, from the exterior design to the minimalist yet tech-forward interior, the all-electric powertrain, and of course, the price point that's shaking up the industry. Let's get started. At first glance, the 2026 Tesla Model 2 looks like a shrunken-down Model 3, but with attitude. Compact, agile, and undeniably modern, this hatchback is designed for urban streets, tight parking spaces, and energy-conscious drivers. The front fascia is smooth and seamless, with no traditional grille, just like its bigger siblings. Tesla's signature LED light bars stretch across the front and rear, giving it that futuristic glow, day or night. But don't let its size fool you. The Model 2 rides on new 19-inch aero wheels, offering both form and function. And with a slightly lifted stance, it's as practical for a weekend escape as it is for a daily commute. Rumors say the drag coefficient is one of the lowest in the segment, improving both range and performance. Step inside, and you're immediately met with Tesla's signature minimalist philosophy. The dashboard is clean, devoid of buttons, dominated by a sleek 12.3-inch central touchscreen, which controls virtually everything, from navigation and media to climate and driving modes. Despite its smaller footprint, the Model 2 doesn't feel cramped. Thanks to a flat floor and clever packaging, legroom and headroom are surprisingly generous. There's room for 5 passengers, and the rear seats fold flat, unlocking a surprising amount of cargo space for a car this size. The 2026 Tesla Model 2 comes in 2 variants: standard rear-wheel drive, with a single motor producing around 240 horsepower and a 0 to 60 time of 6.9 seconds. And the upcoming dual-motor all-wheel drive, boasting over 320 horsepower and a 0 to 60 sprint of under 5 seconds. Not bad for an entry-level EV, right? Range? Expect up to 300 miles on a single charge, depending on the variant. And thanks to its compatibility with Tesla's Supercharger V4 network, a 15-minute charge can give you around 150 miles of range, perfect for those quick pit stops. Add in regenerative braking, tight handling, and whisper-quiet operation, and you've got a ride that's equal parts efficient and exhilarating. Here's the headline everyone's been waiting for. The starting price of the 2026 Tesla Model 2? Just $24,990. Yes, you heard that right, under 25 grand. That puts it in direct competition with gas-powered economy cars and gives legacy automakers serious reason to worry. Even the AWD version with a few upgrades is expected to stay under $30,000, still a steal when you consider the technology, performance, and zero emissions promise baked in. So, is the 2026 Tesla Model 2 the beginning of the true electric revolution for the masses? With its stylish design, surprising practicality, powerful tech, and game-changing price, it might just be. If you've been waiting for the perfect moment to go electric, this could be it. Let us know in the comments, would you buy the Tesla Model 2? Or are you waiting for something even bigger? Or smaller? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an update on the EV world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the future.